All right, my name is Isaac Terer, one of the legal counsels for Oscar Sudi. I wish to confirm that as we speak, Honorable Oscar Sudi is being held at this Central Police Station in Nakuru, awaiting to be arraigned in court. As of yesterday, when the charge and cautionary statement were read to our client, the probable charges would be hate speech and offensive conduct. Two charges actually of hate speech and offensive conduct. The charge sheet is being registered in court to get a case number, after which virtual hearing will proceed, and it will be done here at this particular police station. All we are saying, this is a court process which has just started in earnest, and we expect it to run to its completion before noon today, when we will know its outcome. As of now, we will urge Kenyans generally. I've seen there is quite a number of people outside this police station. Mine is to urge people to keep calm and allow this process to continue to its logical end, and justice will be served as we believe. Definitely, the probable charges are bailable, and we will be making very serious application that our client be admitted to bail immediately, and we expect and anticipate that the court will be able to make its ruling, preferably immediately, and we see the outcome. So the defense team is ready to take up the matter immediately after our client pleads to the charges that will be preferred.